Can you imagine how the Classroom 3.0 works? In our case, we have pictured a very collaborative perspective, inspired by many theories and practices that build this complex scenario. The biggest challenge is the organization of a model which fits with our reality. In this video, we are going to learn about the Classroom 3.0 DNA, practice of personalization, the 8 axes of evaluation. The essence of the Classroom 3.0 DNA is combining active learning with problem solving inside an environment where the students are protagonists and teachers assure that learning is possible for each child. Learning occurs during this cycle. Problematization. The first step involves the collective and dialogic movement of divergence, transformation, and convergence in a certain study. In other words, the subject can be comprehended by many divergent and convergent perspectives, maintaining the simultaneity between them, applicability and experience. Experience is what happens to us, what touches us. It is with this intention that we select a range of experiences capable of developing cognitive and emotional abilities which value interdisciplinarity, systematization, and conceptualization. One of the main purposes of this step is the conceptualization of practice, making a system which combines hands-on and acquired knowledge, generating new learning. The development of Israelita 3.0 is directly related to different agents, knowledge, times and spaces of interaction and experimentation, considering the exploration of new ways of the pedagogical action and align with the claims of contemporaneity. How can we develop the potential of each student? Personalization is the characteristic of looking at each child as an individual who learns and feels in a specific way. To make this happen, class must be organized to stimulate different kinds of learning strategies, assessments, according to the student profile. Individual feedback and the multiple intelligences are very common examples. In Israelita 3.0, we understand that assessment goes through 8 axes, transverse to 5 knowledge areas: Judaism, language and arts, mathematics, nature sciences, and human sciences. The 8 axes that cross each of the 5 areas are reading and writing. It is not about having a good grammar, but to learn how to read the world and express yourself using the appropriate communication. Mathematics operations is the use of math language in the various contexts with logic to solve real problems. Statics is the sense of the static sensibility and judgment in a way to stimulate critical and creative thinking. Kinesthetics, everything that refers to student wellness and corporal consciousness, involving physical education and health and nutrition policies. TICS, explore new tools and strategies for empowering students to fully participate in a connected, technology-rich society. Learning strategies. Personal and collective resources are strategies in problem solving to develop autonomy. Social-emotional. Skills to manage student emotions, ability to resolve conflicts and make responsible decisions. Problem solving. Articulation of different cognitive skills, establishing relations between objects, situations, phenomena, and people to solve challenges. In this scenario, for the teacher, the challenge is a starting point for new questioning and innovative proposals, opening wide space for personal projects. For the student, the challenge related to the axis of evaluation is to establish references and connect knowledge, serving also as an instigator for new questions. In both cases, it is explicit the idea of protagonism and the balance of knowledge in a constant and progressive movement. In the next video, you will see the role of the new teacher, the new learning spaces, and the role of technology as a tool to engage students and stimulate different kinds of learning. Bye!